In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a return as a credit memo or refund. This guide will help you handle customer returns efficiently and ensure that your financial records remain accurate and up to date. First, it's important to understand the context of a credit memo or refund. When a customer returns a product, it's crucial to manage that transaction accurately in your accounting system to reflect the return of goods and the corresponding decrease in revenue. We begin by accessing your accounting software or point of sale system, whichever applies to your business. Make sure you're logged into an account that has the necessary permissions to process returns and manage customer accounts. Once you're logged in, locate the function or module dedicated to handling sales transactions. This is typically found under the Sales or Transactions menu, depending on the system you're using. When you find it, your next step is to search for the original sale associated with the return. Having the original sale information is essential because it helps categorize the refund correctly and maintain the integrity of your sales data. You can usually search by customer name, transaction ID, or sale date, so take a moment to gather these details if you haven't already. After locating the original sale, you'll want to open that transaction to review its specifics. This includes verifying the items purchased, the amount paid, and any other relevant details. With this information in hand, you're ready to proceed with creating a credit memo or processing a refund. Depending on your system, you may have a direct option to process a return from the transaction screen itself. If that's the case, select that option and it will guide you to issue a credit memo or refund. When creating a credit memo, you'll need to input the return information meticulously. This includes the quantity of items being returned and the amount that corresponds to the original pricing. It's also a good idea to double check that all necessary fields are filled in correctly to avoid any discrepancies. This credit memo serves as a record in both your system and for your customer, ensuring clarity in your transactions. If you're issuing a refund instead, ensure that the payment method matches the original transaction. For example, if the customer paid by credit card, the refund should be processed back to that card. This attention to detail helps maintain customer satisfaction and keeps your accounting tidy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can smoothly enter returns as credit memos or refunds, accurately categorizing them against the original sale. It's a vital part of managing your business finances effectively while ensuring transparency and consistency across your customer transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.